gently hold and don't forget to twist your waist and spin nice and straight. You can just do this, but adding some movement looks really dynamic and looks you are the actual hoop dancer. Hello everybody! My name is Shiho Sparkle Hooper from Happy Hoopy Life Entertainment. Today I want to show you how to do the breaks and reverse hula hoop trick. I'm making the easy hula hoop trick tutorial. So those are the tricks you want to learn in the very beginning. Those are probably one of my favorite hula hoop trick because I like body hooping and it is some variation for the body hula hooping which I really love. So I want to show you some tips of how to do the break and reverse hula hoop trick. Let's go for Happy Hoopy School! So first of all, before you learn the break trick, you should comfortable hula hoop both directions because when you break, you're gonna spin on the other side. When you break, you're gonna spin on the other side. So you should be able to hula hoop both directions. So if you're not comfortable doing the both directions, you should practice first. Okay, now let's explain the tips how to do the break. Before I show you elbow break, I'll show you how to do the hand break trick because it's easier to break by your hand. So I'll show you first. It's gonna be like this. So you do tummy hula hooping and then gently hold the hula hoop side of your body. Maybe on your side, but a little bit back, not front. Don't ever catch front because it's gonna be hard to break. So make sure you are catching on your side, maybe close to your back of your side. If you facing to front and then catch, you can still do this, but I found out it's easier to twist your waist as much as possible and then gently hold the hula hoop and then spin. So gently hold the hula hoop with twisting your waist as much as possible and then spin the hula hoop. And then make sure when you spin the hula hoop, you spin nice and straight because I see lots of times my student drop the hula hoop. You know why? Because they didn't spin the hula hoop nice and straight. You get angle, so it's falling down to the ground. So make sure gently hold and catch and spin. Try to spin nice and straight. So it's gonna be stable on your tummy. So nice and straight. Yeah, that's the tip. Gently hold and don't forget to twist your waist and spin nice and straight. Spin nice and straight. Let's go for next step. So next step is a variation for hand break. I like this trick to put on my routine because it's amazing with dancing. So you can catch the hula hoop. When you catch, you can spin in the same direction with hula hoop go. So spin. You can do as many at a time you want. You can match with the music and catch and spin and catch and spin and catch, spin. So of course you can just do this, but adding some movement looks really dynamic and looks you are the actually hoop dancer. And then this is really easy trick, but everybody's like, wow, she had a movement. It's really cool, it's really beautiful. So I reckon when you do the break, you can add some spin to your dance. And then also, not only impressing people, you feel great when you spin. So adding spin makes you more dynamic and makes you more beautiful. I reckon you should add spin with the break trick. So I hope you all got likes and reverse trick. And again, if you cannot get it, don't worry. Yeah, it takes time, but more you practice, you get better. Anyway, if you have any other hula hoop trick you want to learn, please leave a comment and then Shiho will make more hula hoop tutorial. Otherwise, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and then I have more motivation to make more happy hoopy video. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope to see you next video. Happy Hoopy Day!